Hello guys, I'm using a 28 to 400 millimeter Nikon lens with aperture of 4 to 8. And the question is this lens adequate for bird photography? And the answer is here. As you can see, I am recording a cormorant bird that is about 80 feet away from the camera. You will notice this bird occupies about 50% of this LCD monitor, which you can see some details of the bird, which means that this lens is adequate. But the thing is, this bird is about 30 inches long, and I'm in a crop mode, which means that the 400 millimeter lens becomes 600. That's why you can see this bird, some of the details of this bird, which makes this lens quite suited for photographing big birds like this cormorant.